Ladies and gentlemen, since the US will become one of the largest new energy vehicle markets in the world, it will become one of the most important markets for our purely electric EQ brands. But our electrification strategy consists in two more lanes: EQ Boost and EQ Power. So the EQ Boost 48-volt mild hybrid technology offers great driving dynamics and smoothness, plus better fuel efficiency. We will offer partial electrification in all segments within the next 3 years. EQ Power means full plug-in hybrids. Several new models are in the pipeline and will soon hit the markets, increasing the E-range to around 60 miles. Now, you know, the most important component of an electric vehicle is the battery. As 2017 announced, we're investing $1 billion into our Tuscaloosa facility, of which is slated for the electric initiative. As part of our global battery production network, the construction on our battery plant in Alabama is already well underway. The overall investment in our Tuscaloosa facility will create up to 600 additional jobs in this area. In addition, we've already invested over $6 billion in this location since 1995, which currently builds the C-Class for the American market and the GLE Coupe and GLS for distribution worldwide.